See what we do called the tenodesis effect. When you flex the wrist, the fingers extend, and then when we extend the wrist, the fingers flex. And you can see this part of the finger is not flexing. So that's because the flexor digitorum profundus is lacerated. So whenever we do tendon repairs, we do what's called a modified Kessler stitch. You can see that it flexes now. Now I got to repair the pulley. I had to incise one of the important pulleys in order to see this tendon. So now I'm going to go repair the pulley. That's pretty well repaired.